Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.2% in the last session after rising as much as 6% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Microsoft Cloud revenues were up 22% from last year over the third quarter, topping forecasts and driving a solid earnings beat for the tech giant. Overall group revenues rose 7.2%. The Bank of Canada did not hike interest rates earlier this month because it wanted to see more evidence of the effects of previous monetary tightening on growth and inflation, according to minutes from the policy-setting meeting. 2 weeks after Ethereum's Shapella upgrade, the crypto options market is signaling a higher perceived risk of downside volatility in the smart contract blockchain's native token, Ether, than for market leader Bitcoin.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's export price index at 0130 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.